Plastic. Unique, sloping design saves space. Holds a full-size soap bar in less space. Clever angled base allows soap to drain. Dismantles for easy cleaning. Ventilated for quick drying. Conventional soap dishes are difficult to keep clean and take up a large amount of space around the sink. This clever, compact design features an angled base, which means it can hold a full-size soap bar in less space. It also allows excess water and soap suds to drain neatly out of sight. It features a ventilation hole for quick drying, a non-slip base, and can dismantled for easy cleaning. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. This soap dish fits perfectly on the sink in my guest bathroom. The sink is oval in shape, leaving little room between the swivel water handles and the edge of the basin. I like the fact that the soap stands on end inside the soap dish and the residue water is discreetly caught into the base of the small dish that holds quite a bit of soap water. It's a clever design.